The question says, out of the following, which compound will have electrovalent bonding? Electrovalent bonding in the sense ionic bonding. And we have learned ionic bond is found by metal as well as non-metal. Okay, by the transfer of electron. Okay. So first of all, we write down the chemical formula of these compounds and then we can determine which one is forming ionic bond, electrovalent bond. Okay. First we have ammonia. The chemical formula of ammonia we have NH3. Okay. So nitrogen is also non-metal, hydrogen is also non-metals. So it cannot form ionic bond. Okay. We have option B, water molecule is there. In this case, oxygen is non-metal, hydrogen is also non-metal. Cannot form electrovalent bond. We have option C, calcium chloride. Chemical formula of calcium chloride is what? CaCl2. CaCl2. Calcium is a metal and Cl, chlorine, is a non-metal. Here we have the combination of metal as well as non-metal. So in this case, transfer of electron is taking place, means electrovalent bond formation is taking place. Here we have electrovalent bonding in option C. If you go for the D option also, chloromethane is given here. The chemical formula of chloromethane, CH3, and it is Cl is there. Non-metal, non-metal, non-metal. Okay, no electrovalent bonding. Only option C is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.